Stop 6. The building of Lakeshore Drive. Winding its way along the south shore of Guernsey Reservoir, Lakeshore Drive provides visitors with spectacular views and access to the reservoir. The terrain along this stretch of road, however, made the building of Lakeshore Drive an ambitious undertaking. Steep hillsides and sheer cliff faces drop straight into the water, making road construction slow and arduous. In order to create a level bench on which to build the roadbed, workers had to do a considerable amount of blasting with dynamite. For construction crews, it was a common occurrence to hear this warning being called out prior to the sound of an explosion.
Fire in the hole!
Dynamite was stored in powder magazines, such as the one located along the road near this stop. For safety reasons, the magazine structure was built into the hillside with walls 3 feet thick. However, the magazine's roof was only a single layer of board and batten. The reason for this design is simple. If an explosion were to happen, the force of the blast would be directed upward and not out, mitigating the effects of the explosion. Construction of Lakeshore Drive went on year-round, and anyone who spent a winter in Wyoming knows that it certainly can get cold here. Using dynamite in cold conditions has one major downside. It freezes and loses plasticity at 45 degrees Fahrenheit, making it difficult to ignite and explode safely. So in order to continue construction during the cold, workers had to devise a means of warming the dynamite very carefully. To accomplish this, they built small warming sheds, each with 2 big doors in front and a single shelf across the inside. Workers stacked dynamite on the shelf, then placed large pots of hot water directly under it. The heat from the pans warmed the dynamite to working temperatures, without exploding, allowing blasting and road construction to continue during the winter months. Needless to say, the use of dynamite to blast away sections of hillside required skilled laborers, experienced in this type of demolition work. One reason park planners were able to successfully tackle this project was that the Depression had forced a lot of men from the mines in nearby Hartville out of work. Taking advantage of their expertise, the CCC hired several laid-off miners and demolition experts as local experienced men, or LEMs. The LEMs lived in the CCC camps and labored side by side with the young men, teaching them how to blast out hillsides and build the bench for the